I believe they are testing now. Bro.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Radio All Hazards Warning Device for Station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next for Station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. By the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
Advise
If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. And warn. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, Station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
That worked? Cool.
Watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Worcester, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware: Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland: Depot, including Chesapeake Bay North or Fools Island.
Please shut up.
This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, Station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
No, okay, good.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey, issued at 11:03 a.m., Wednesday, April 5th. Rest of today, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. South swell 2 to 3 feet in 5 seconds.
This was...
A slight chance of heavy drizzle early this afternoon. A slight chance of heavy drizzle late. Widespread...
Signal is so bad. So bad today, I swear to God.